Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is spiced pork knuckle. Our first video for a while, my wife lost the keys to the handcuffs. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below and on screen now. Okay, the first thing you do for this recipe is in a large pan of water, place all the ingredients with the exception of the balsamic vinegar. Keep that aside, you need it for later. Then put the pork knuckle into the pan, make sure it's covered. The next thing you do is bring to the heat, bring up to a simmer and allow to simmer away happily for 2.5 hours. And when the 2.5 hours are up, simply remove from the broth. Next thing you do is take a fork or knife and spear the skin all over. Then take a paper towel and give it a good dry. And when this is done, take the balsamic vinegar, or you could use black vinegar, and brush over the skin. Then it's off to a 200°C air fryer. You could of course do this in the oven if you wanted to. But it's all the rage to do things in the air fryer, I suppose. And after the 20 minutes are up, turn it over, put it in for another 20 minutes, and then you're done. But is it crispy? But of course it is. As normal, we hope you enjoyed this recipe and feel free to subscribe, share and like. Bye for now.